Get over here. Okay, serious.
Yeah, run Ricky run, nigga run, jump, come here they come, run, gun with the drum, bum, bitty bum, slump in the trunk, my city go dumb, 151 rum in a blunt, young nigga numb, and he got a little gun, a little bitty killer really doing it for fun, give him a little bit and he'll get a nigga done, son of a guy, son of a bitch, son of a woman, a man, son of a son, and it's sunk in the bitch, I'm in the plan, please come with the script, cover my back, cover man, please come with a blitz, look at this stash shit like a...
I'll start by filling in my brows a little bit thicker than I usually do. Brush away excess product using brow gel and also clean up. Using the same concealer as a primer and blending that in with my finger. And setting the concealer with this shade from the Huda Cosmetics palette. Using this orange shade as a transition color. With my hair out of the way, I use this dark brown shade to define my crease. Cutting the crease to the same Illegal Pro concealer shade. Going straight in with this yellow to set the concealer, but it wasn't bright enough, so I decided to recut the crease with this oil paint and then pack the yellow shade on top of the lid again. Using glitter glue, I drew a line where the yellow meets the brown and then patted these two shades on the crease. Look back and admire your work. Line your lids with a black liner. I'm just using this one from Maybelline. Onto the face, I'm going to start by correcting my dark under circles and then just putting foundation on top of that. And blend. I want to really highlight the under eye, so I'll be going in with a bright concealer and setting that in with a translucent powder. Then using this shadow on my XoXo, I never know how to say that word. Further darkening my waterline with this liner and then using this brown to blend that all in. And then highlighting my inner corner with this color. This is my reference photo and also followed some Meiji look tips which I will link below. I started by outlining the mask, but you can completely eliminate this step. Then I went in with this yellow and just filled in the bottom of the mask. This is where you should start by outlining the mask with black so that it's easier for you to correct your mistakes. This is my oops face. Decided to leave this part in so you guys can see how I ended up correcting my mistake and making the mask edges sharper, which is what you should be going for. I also recommend having a reference photo close at hand. This part is going to be a bit tricky because drawing on the mouth is like an optical illusion, but try your best to draw true symmetrical straight lines going straight down your mouth. Make sure the lines start from your nostrils going down. Draw a triangle on your nose and shade that in. Go in halfway with a gold shadow right between the two black lines. With a very light hand, create some definition right at the center using a grey eyeshadow. I'm using this one from the Amuse palette. Then right beside that grey shadow, I'll be highlighting using this white paint from Maroon. Blend out the white line a little bit to remove any harsh edges. I'll be using white paint to draw a line starting from the tip of the triangle, past the corners of my mouth and onto my chin. Do this on both sides of the triangle. To give this part of the mask some depth and dimension, I'll be shading using this gold highlight color. And then using an even lighter gold color on the other side of the mouth. Starting from the base of the nose and focusing only on the edges of that white line, shade using a dark grey color. This could possibly be the easiest part of this mask. Make a dark face and follow the natural shape of your jawline from the chin up. Making a curved L connects the line from the ear down to the mouth area. With a very light hand and a dark brown, start shading around the perimeter of this little box and then just build up the color. Then focusing only on the edges, lightly add a dark gray. And finally on the outermost corners and a detail brush, add some black. So going to be highlighting the rest of the mask, and we'll start with this gold. I'm focusing on the center of the gold that we just did. Will go in with this even lighter gold. Don't forget to add some highlights on the cheek area as well. Then adding this near white highlight at the most inner part of the highlights. We're going to connect all the lines at the bottom of the chin by making a zigzag sort of pattern and filling it up with black. I'm going to further highlight my chin by connecting the black from my ear down to my chin and drawing this comic-esque dots and lines on my face. If you have a black scarf, then this is the end for the tutorial for you, but the following steps are all completely optional. In my reference photo, he's angry, so using the natural lines and dents on my face when I'm frowning, I'm just going to imitate that. Lightly outlining where I want the ninja mask to start and then filling that in with the black paint. I'm not quite sure how to explain this part, so you're just gonna have to watch and see what I'm doing. And that's it.